Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 from the official Microsoft website. The direct link is in the description below. Let's get started. Once we are in the official Microsoft page, we have three options to download Windows 11. The first one is through the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. The second option is the one I recommend, and it is the one that I'm going to show you in this video, which is through Create Windows 11 Installation Media. And the last one is the option to download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. But if you want to install Windows from a USB, it won't help you just by copying it to the USB flash drive, because it will have to be converted into a bootable USB drive. And for that, you have to use an additional tool. In my case, I use Rufus. But with the second option, you do not have to do any of this, because the Media Creation tool installs the operating system on the USB, so that it works as a bootable device. If what you want is to format a PC through a USB. Okay, the first thing you have to do is insert the USB stick into a USB slot. It is important that the USB has a capacity of 8 GB, because what we're going to download takes 4.25 GB, and a 4 GB one will not work for you simply. The next thing is to click where it says Download Now. Here are some instructions before starting, but it is basically the process that we're going to do now. We click there, Download Now, and a file is downloaded. And it is very small. It is downloaded in a second. We open it, we click Yes to the Windows permissions, and from here you have to understand that this process will take a while, and that it will also depend a lot on your internet connection. Now we click where it says Accept. And here we have the option to select the language and the edition. In this case, it takes them automatically based on the characteristics of the computer from which I am downloading it. Or you can also customize it and choose here the language and the country. Then we click where it says Next. Here it tells us choose which medium to use. We are going to leave it in USB flash drive because it is what we need, and what I told you before, you need to occupy 8 GB as minimum. We click on Next. Here it says select the USB flash drive. Here, since I only have one USB connected, it recognizes it for me. If I had several, it would recognize several, and then I would choose where I want to install. In this case, well, I leave the only one I have selected, and I click on Next. Now, what you need to do is download the Windows 11 operating system. The process will be quick if you have good internet. Otherwise, you will need to be a bit patient. Since Windows 11 was announced, I was very excited to download and try it. The announcement of compatibility with Android applications and games caught my attention, but for now it is still not available. And well, I was also a bit disappointed because I read that when this functionality is available, Android applications and games can be downloaded from the Amazon App Store and not from the Google Play Store. I expected it to be able to do it from Google Play. So given that need, what I use is an Android emulator for PC that works very well, with which I can use the Google Play Store to download all the applications and games from Google Play. I use LD Player, which is a very lightweight Android emulator for PC, and it works very well on Windows 11. Installing it is very easy. I will leave you the link below, and once you're on the official page of LD Player, you click where it says Download LD Player. The installer is downloaded and we run it. You can click on Install, and now this is really important. Here it will tell you that if you want to install McAfee or Opera or any additional software, you choose Reject, so that only the emulator is installed. And the installation is very easy. So once we are here, we choose Try Now, and this is the emulator. By default, it comes with a tablet aspect, but here we can put it with a phone aspect. And if we click here, we find the Google Play Store. It has already finished the process and it says your flash drive is ready. We click where it says Finish, and Then it will say setup is complete before closing. You are now done. The process is over. You already have Windows 11 on the flash drive and you can now install it on your computer. I hope this video has been helpful and I will see you in the next one. Bye!